Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Better. Still a little slow. We just had lunch. That's all it is. Well, it's lovely to see all of you. Thanks for coming today. You are more than welcome to come and fill up right here. This is like the splash zone. You won't get wet, I promise. It's just with sparkles, but it's no problem. So you can come on and sit up here if you want to. It's kind of fun up here. The closer you get, the more fun it is. Just don't pass the yellow line because that doesn't get any fun anymore. Then you have to like start acting. So today you'll be seeing two plays. You'll be seeing The Princess and the Sneeze and A Day to Stay and Hang. Performing for you are the actors of Savannah Elementary. They are kids from the ages of whatever you are in first grade to whatever you are in fourth grade. We've been rehearsing. We do lots of stuff around. The next time you can catch us is in May when we're doing Shakespeare in the parking lot. Fingers crossed. But today we're here for you for the Science Museum. So we hope you have fun and enjoy. Please interact. You can cheer. You can root for the people that you like. You can recite the play. You can sing along if you know the words. Just have a good time. So without further ado, you guys ready? Yeah. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to introduce to you the cast of The Princess and the Sneeze and A Day to Stay and Hang.
Good day, Princess. Good day, Dr. Lassity.
I already told him your problem, but I think it is important to understand what a sneeze is and how it works.
Or make it'll help. Sure. Okay.
Well, the sneeze is the irritation of tickling inside the nose, also called sternutation. Say it.
Sternutation.
Say it.
Sternutation.
All together.
Sternutation.
Good. When the inside of a nose gets a tickle,
Nothing.
the inside of the nose gets a tickle and sends a message to a special part of your brain called the sneeze center. The sneeze center sends a message to the muscles needed, the belly, diaphragm, and lungs. Then the sneeze happens.
And the eyelids. Don't let the eyes pop you.
Correct, you are a jester. In the eyelids, the sneeze center says, go and bang! Your body snaps in an action. And did you know, during a sneeze, your body goes many particles out your nose up to 100 miles per hour? It's true!
So is there something wrong with my brain or muscles or...
No, but I think I know what the problem is.
You do?
Yes, when you are about to sneeze, you put your finger under your nose, stopping the sensation to your brain, thus halting the sneeze. Next time, just let it fly.
But cover your mouth because that is gross. I brought the feather. It's for you.
Message. Tickle sends message to the brain. Message to the muscles. Message received. Everyone done.
You did